We're here with Anne from Youtique Bridal. She's showing off all of her custom bridal designs. She's got ring bearer pillows, wedding veils. So come on in. We're doing a 10% off coupon if you were with Anne today from Youtique Bridal. So come into Williams-Sonoma Town Country Village. We're suite 420. Come on in, guys.
All right. And also they have classes available today.
We do.
At Town and Country. So let's bring them over to where you guys will be holding the classes.
Okay, so today we're doing our Instapot. Right now we have our Himalayan salt block going with our Philips indoor infrared grill, but we're gonna switch that out and we're gonna bring in the Instapot so you guys can test it out, see, sample our delicious food. So let's go on over to the Instapot feature so I can show you what we have.
A lot of fun classes available here today, you guys. Not even today, like they have schedules laid out for them
all the time. So you can see our schedules online. You could go to our Facebook page, which is WS Town and Country. Come on in, see what we have, our classes, all the different things that we have to offer. So here we are at our Instapots. We have the various sizes, so we can cover anything from small apartment living to large family cooking. We also offer some of our starter sauces. You can actually cook what you need by itself. You don't have to touch anything, just dump the sauce and dump your meat, hit some buttons and you're good to go. Williams-Sonoma Town and Country, the Instapot cooking class. So come on in, guys. And make sure you stop by and say hi to Anne at Youtique Bridal.
Yes, you guys, come in and say hi and just check out everything that's in the store as well. They have the new department. They're Williams and Sonoma home, so you guys have to check that out as well. So we hope to see you guys today.
We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
There's three main places on your head that you normally put a veil. It's like your crown.
Should I put my hair up?
It's up to you.
I'm wearing my hair up.
You know, depending on the hairstyle, since you have it up, you can put it up, above, kind of like that. And you can stand to the side so you can see how it looks like. This is just a simple veil. Move down right if you have your bun. So it'll go down a little bit lower. And then, of course, some brides, they like it underneath. So that it goes even, it makes it even longer. Okay, so that's the first main style. So like I said, you can really play around with it. When you finalize your design, the style that you really like, that's when you sew it onto. So this is a fuller veil. Well, yeah, this is pretty. Yeah, so again, you can wear it up here. You can bring it down right above. Right there, can you see that? Yep. Or of course, just different looks. And this is the one we're talking about. And also, I'm going to do, like, if you like I mentioned, you can adjust the length, like going shorter or longer, but I'm going to make this an elbow length veil for you. And when the groom receives you, this is when he
Unveils.
So basically,
It's like a cape.
Hi.
Good for you. Yes.
So yeah, so those are the three main styles, but then you just adjust it depending on the length you want.
Okay.
Yeah, just by folding it, you know, higher or lower.
Okay.
And I am going to put this hair comb. It comes with a hair comb. The pins are in there just so you can play around with it before you finalize your design. But I have a step-by-step tutorial where I show you how to create your own veil. So it's a simple layout of the veil. Really, you can play around, like go down lower, and then you're gonna make it. Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
An ankle. So you can just adjust it. You can do, you know, high, low, and I'm gonna gather it. So this is where the different styles come in. So it depends. Like I'm just holding it over, and depending on how long you want your blusher, you can make it longer, or you can shorten it. Okay. You can see how it's already a fuller look, and it's gathered. And like I said, you can play with a different, the different length to get a totally different style. So yeah, are you ready for the third one? Sure. It's over. This is called the drop veil. Okay. Just lay simply, and again, this is just adjusting however you want, long you want. Yep. What I'm gonna do is I'm making an elbow length, so I'm going to put you right into the center of the veil. Yes, it is. It really is. It's just, you know, and there you go. You got a new look. You got a blusher in the veil.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for being a great bride.
You're welcome.
And then I'm going to gather it in the center. Getting married all over again. Walking down the aisle. She's
Love it. Oh.
My first name is Ken, and my recommendation is to be very sensitive to the other person's feelings.
That's a great tip.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're
You guys have
welcome.
fun on your lunch date.
Okay.
Bye.
Sharon Blanchard.
48 years.
The best tip would be to do everything he says.
Basically, compromise.
Compromise.
Yeah, that's it. Compromise.
Thank you so
Compromise
much.
on most things, and then some things you just gotta throw
They
that
only
out.
wanted one little answer.
Go, and my tip is you have to laugh.
You have to laugh. Do you have a tip?
She laughs.
She
at
laughs
me.
with you. Thank you.
I'm Casey.
I'm Brandon,
And how long have you been married?
for 3 years.
And what are your tips?
I'd say don't go to sleep angry.
My tip for the wedding planning for the guy, just say yes. That looks nice.
That's a good one. Thank you
But
so
the
much.
warning, that could be a trap too, so be careful.
Thank you for your
All right.
tip.
Okay.
Can you give me your name? Just your first
Ann.
name. Ann?
Yes.
I'm Ann too.
Oh, great.
Thank you, Ann, for being open to share a tip.
My tip is that we try to thank each other a lot throughout the day. Just have a feeling of gratefulness for each other, and also just try to think about the needs of our spouse, the needs of my husband. What can I do for him today? Is there anything that he needs me to do this week? And he does the same for me.
Oh,
So we've been married 29 years.
congratulations. And this is Evelyn and Ramon, and they have been married for 3 years. In honor of Father's Day coming up, Ramon and several other gentlemen will be showing us how to tie a bow tie. So look out for that tutorial coming out soon. Thank you, Laura, for coming out to say hello, and also thank you, Tracy, for coming by to say hi. And thank you, Rosalind Gaither, for all the behind-the-scenes help. I couldn't do it without you. And a special thanks to the lovely staff at Williams-Sonoma Town Country Village and their wonderful customers. Make sure to book your bridal showers, create your wedding registry, and check out the classes at Williams-Sonoma Town Country. To find out more about the LUXE DIY Veil Kit, I'll put the information in the description box below. Thank you for visiting and have a wonderful day.